Alright, I'm going to try to do a video here. This place is called the Model T Graveyard, and it's near Tinker Air Force Base in the Oklahoma City area. And this is a private collection. It's labeled as a tourist attraction, but it's a private collection of supposedly like 70, 80 Model Ts that this guy has had here forever. And there's no like official admission or anything. I've tried to find information about how to contact the owner to see if I could get like kind of an official tour, so to speak, and I have not been successful in that, unfortunately. And I don't know if my video quality is going to be very good here or not. It's kind of a tough spot here on the corner on this uneven ground, but it's pretty neat. As you can tell, there's a whole bunch of them. I mean, unfortunately they look like they're in various stages of beyond repair kind of decay, but it's an interesting sight. If you're a Model T fan, this is definitely a must check out kind of a place. I can just imagine these are all just like absolutely paper thin sheet metal at this point. These were these old car bodies were stamped pretty thin when they were new, and by the time they get this old, there's not a whole lot left. Yeah, kind of a fascinating collection here. I'm definitely getting a kick out of it. Something you don't see every day. Here's kind of a good bend in the fence. There's a horse walking around here. I see the horse leavings everywhere. Yeah, check it out. Wow, look at those tires. Man, they have just those are inner tubes. Wow. Amazing. Just amazing. Look at the old drum brakes on the old axle. Oh, there's the horse. So yeah, quite the hoarding of the Model T bits, but it's awesome. Good for him. Good for him. It's pretty awesome. There's a place in Tulsa called the Model T Garage, and it's actually a storage unit facility. And I think the original owner of that facility had a bunch of Model Ts, and I've been in there before years ago. It's also kind of not well known. It's not really a public place. I mean, you can go there, they're very friendly, but it's not like a public tourist attraction. But yeah, it's called a Model T Garage in kind of south side of Tulsa. Anyway, I thought this was something kind of different and neat, and I'm gonna go do some more sightseeing around here today.